You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, or these words. Those are the same. Essentially, it means nice to meet you in French. The top one is male or masculine. Bottom one is female. So you'd add an E at the end just to signify that it's female. But the pronunciation is the same. So enchanté. Enchanté is the French pronunciation, both for male and female. In English, enchanté. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.